three classes, I think, more. So almost in every day you can expect one quiz test. Okay. Is it okay for you? Nobody is responding. Huh?
Ma'am, you can hold the quiz on alternate day. Like daily is too much hectic. Daily quiz.
Daily quiz is hectic. Okay, alternate days. No
Yes,
issue.
ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, you have to attend it. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Dr. Shil, shall we start, because a few participants has joined, and
We can wait 5
let
more
them,
minutes.
because let them join. Eventually they will join. Shall we start now?
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Dr. Shil, I think your voice is little feeble, I think. So when I take
Yes.
the, it can be little more. So students, today we have our resource person as Dr. Sandeep Shil, and Dr. Shil is working as a senior scale scientist in ICR CPCRI Research Center, Mohit Nagar, and he had completed his PhD studies in the Department of Statistics, Guwahati University in 2016, and his areas of research includes genomics, computational biology, bioinformatics in plantation and horticulture crops domain. And he's having rich experience of versatile advanced programming skills in Java, C, SQL, R, QGIS, Python, Bash shell scripting, etc., with technically sound statistical and biological knowledge. And he had carried out several data analysis in various ages, such as designs of experiments, multivariate analysis, time series modeling, non-linear modeling, development of new protein motif delivery, protein motif discovery algorithms, metagenomic data analysis of coconut sap, then spatio-temporal climatic data modeling, etc. So today, Dr. Shil will be, as requested by you, Dr. Shil will be taking a class on R programming, that is R and its usage in agriculture research data analysis. So welcome, Dr. Shil. It's to you now.
Okay. Good evening, dear brothers and sisters. I am audible to you. Hello. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible, but little feeble.
Okay, okay, okay. So it is very exciting for me also. I am getting this opportunity to teach you some programming experience in R. And thank you to the organizer also. They have given me this opportunity. So I have a first of all, I want to know how many of you know about R. Can you tell, means, have you learned any time, have you used? Hello?
No, sir.
No experience. So you have already done in Excel also. Excel, you have do some experiment with data na, in Excel,
Yes, sir.
Microsoft Excel. So in comparing with the Excel, I am going to deliver this lecture so that it can be understandable to every discipline. It is not like that only means advanced programming skill is needed. So I have kept this the tutorial title, the undergraduate guide to R and its uses in agriculture research data analysis. So first I am welcoming you on deciding to learn the R programming language. Learning this R will provide you a whole new set of skill development, and also you have it will give you a standard statistical tool by which you can manipulate, analyze, compare, and view the data in very interactive mode. Okay, so R is primarily designed for use of statistics. It was the earlier motive, but now it is very helpful regardless of which scientific discipline you are pursuing. You can use almost almost in every all scientific disciplines related data can be can be analyzed using this R. Although no prior knowledge of programming skill is required, but rudimentary knowledge of general computer skill and statistics is must. R supports analytical solution to almost all scientific disciplines. However, this presentation is prepared with very introductory information about R so that it can be useful to everyone who is just starting using R, irrespective of undergraduate or not. Okay, so the main objective of this presentation will be successfully how we can install R in our computer, then teach little bit of R we will use to do some common data manipulating, analyzing, comparing, view tasks, and we will build some concept behind using R, some general tips, suggestions, how to program in R, and familiar with the R uses in agriculture research data analysis. So once again, I am welcoming you to R. Hope my motive will help you a lot. So what is R? R is a free and open source software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It can be freely downloadable and you do not to pay anything, but it has the capability to do very complex work. If I will show you how complex application can be developed using R. And R is a vehicle for new developing methods of interactive data analysis. It can be run on any variety of operating system. You can use Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac OS. Those all the version of R for running in different types of operating system is available. So little bit I am giving you some details of history about the little bit history about R. So in 1980, initially it was developed from the University of Auckland from New Zealand, and R is the implementation of S language developed by Bell Laboratories. But now it is maintained by the R development core team. If you visit to the below link, you will get very important and very in detail in depth that concept of R in this link. I will provide you some handouts also in later, so you can follow. So regarding the download and installation R is downloadable for any project. I am giving you one small demo. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes. So in Google, if you are typing R, you will get this link. Simply R. That's R project for statistical computing. Okay, if you click this link, you will get this type of page where every details you will get. More you go through these sentences, you will get more. You will learn about are many things. Even in at the left side also, you will getting it. If you are want to know about you to means very in depth you want to know how R is functioning, you will get so many things getting here. And now we are going to install R from this website. So we have to go this link, download R. If you click this one, you will get several mirrors, means repositories from across the world. You will get. So you select any of the link. You are following my sentences, na? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. If you say first, if you scroll down, you will get that from our India also, our National Institute of Science and Research Education, they are also maintaining R. So this first link is the most important link where you will get all the updated things about the R packages, functions, everything is available in there. And later, this this is the important link. So if you can see here, you can download software R for Linux, various versions, Mac OS, then R Windows. If you click on this R Windows, so everybody is using Windows, na? Anybody is using other than any operating system, other operating system? All are familiar with Windows, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I am going to the Windows version. So if you click on this one, install R for the first time, now this Windows version will be there, and all installation instruction is available in this document. If you go through this, you will get everything. Everything is written, how to install R, how to install packages. Every details are available from here. And regarding the software download, if you download it, it will give you 64-bit version also, 30-bit. Now you have to save this file. If you saving this file, you will get this kind of this kind of software download. If you double click it, so installation window will come, and if you are following the instruction next, it will be installed very easily. So I am not going to. You can see that. Can you see now that one? Your installation is coming now.
No, I
Yes,
think
sir.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. It's coming now. Now, if you are press OK, next. Now I am already installed this one, so I got this message. If you are not installed, first time you are installing, you will not get such message. You just click on next. It will automatically install in R, and it will be available to your start menu. So I am not installing here because it will take time. So in installation menu, you will get this R. This is for 32 version, 32-bit version. This is for 64-bit. So any of the option you can use. Say I am using this one. So this is the R window you are going to get. This is the simple things. Now I am not going to the other means some good editors are available in the web. Those softwares can be installed, and those software is means in the background this R will be running, and you will get so many things in that editors. So one of them it is that R Studio, but we can do our operation from here also. It is nothing but a if you are using as a calculator, you can do simply type 1 plus 1, you will get 2. Okay, if you are giving this one, you will get answer. You can use it as a calculator also, but we will be using it for programming and doing some good analysis. I'll come to in that portion with more details. So this is the download and installation about R. My computer is hanged. Actually, it is taking little time. You are following my things now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now the beautiful things about are around 16, more than 16,000 packages is package are available in R. This package may be related to any discipline, maybe engineering section, aviation industry, medical, agriculture. So many things are available, means in each packages there are various functionalities are available. You have to give the input only, you will get beautiful things, beautiful graphs, some thing I will advanced things I will show you. So complete list of package you will get in this following address, means where we have already visited. You can do phylogenetic analysis, social science applications, econometrics, various things. You have to download, install the packages with this R. I will show you some little demo on this. This is the R graphical user interface you have seen earlier. I have shown you. So you might have already seen this Excel data in Excel. Okay. Suppose I am starting with this one. If you are follow in YouTube tutorial or Google, they will start with very basic things, create variables, so many things. If you are learning more you will know about, but for demonstration purpose I am starting with the data sheet which you usually observe in Excel. You certainly observe. So this you can see this field is contains some character, variables, numbers. So what we can do with this? So let's practice some exercise in R. So if you, I will give you this tutorial means programming portion. Don't worry. If you click this Excel sheet, you will get this is the data sheet. Are you following? If any doubts is there, any problem is there, I will repeat. Okay. You are getting the
Yes, sir.
okay. So this is the data we usually entered into the Excel after doing some lab experiment or any experiment. After doing, we compile like this. So if we are arrange in Excel and if we save it as a CSV file, even some packages of R will help you to directly import this data in R environment uh, from Excel also. But here for very simple situation, I am using CSV. It is a kind of Excel. So if it is my data, now here you will get some R code. Okay. So if you open this one, you will get things. So first thing we have to do, we have to show the R, show the where my data is located. So this can be done by in two ways. In two ways. Either if you are going to the file menu, change directory, say I am keeping it as a D drive, R programming tutorial, and OK. This will set. So this is very simple editor. You will get file. More you will go through the Google, you will get all the functionality of this menu. I am not going in details. Okay, so I am running some simple experiment in R. So what I am doing, either I am setting the that input, that where my data is located, either by this line or this line. If you write this get W, you will get already this is set. Now if you are running this one, it will work similarly. Here also you will get this one, same location. You can see my this Excel sheet located in this location, which I am given instruction that are for running this program, I will look this data sheet in that particular directory locations. First thing, what I am doing, I am importing those data to our environment. So this is the syntax I am using. It is, you don't worry. If you are reading this one, these functions, everything will be clear to you and very easy to do. So I am simply copy pasting and showing you the demonstration. Now, if I run this syntax, data will import in this variable. This is a data frame. We called in there. If you run this syntax, class comma data, it is a data frame. And if you run this syntax, you will get what are the variables present in this. Say serial names, manufacturer, old or white or hot. These variables, all information you will get. You see that they are characters, calories. Some are integer, some are number. Now, if you run this syntax, see this, it come to R. That Excel sheet imported in R environment. You are following, na? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. So I'm quickly giving a demonstration. These are not difficult to learn. everything is available in YouTube, our site, Google. Everything is available in detail. You can study there. But for to grow up interest, and you just familiar, I am trying to familiar with R, what it can do. So I am quickly giving the syntax and running, show you demonstration, so that you can know that this can be done with R, this can not be done with Excel or any other software. It has a very good functionality. Now, if you are running this one, edit data, for editing that one. Now you can edit here also. And if you are clicking that one, this, it will save. Now you run this one to see the data summary. You see very easily I am getting there these things: minimum value, first quantile, mean. You know about a little bit statistics background. You have now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can see mean, median. For just one syntax, summary and data, you get these things. But if you are going to Excel, so many computation you have to done, then you will get this kind of result. So R is very easy. Means it will provide us very easy task at now. If you are know about that what that function is doing, you can run this one, help summary or question mark summary. Both will do same work. If you run this one, you can see a help page will be open in internet. You will see what is this summary, this function is doing. Generic function produce to result summaries and various model fitting information. You can see. Even if you are running this one summary, it will do same things. You will get more. You see, and examples also available here. You can run every syntax. Now if you are running how to compute mean, just type help bracket mean, it will open how to compute mean. This is the syntax. This is X is the R object. R object means data frame. What we have given data name. You can use trim functionality. You can trim there. If some missing values is there, then NA RM will be, you have to set as a true. Various functionality. So many things you can compute. If you want to say, suppose know about how to calculate the standard deviation or variance, you can see it will come. Just type help SD or question mark SD. Now I am showing other many other functionality. Say this is our data frame. We have saved it in data. It's nothing but a matrix. If you are little bit know about mathematics, that matrix concept is there to store this data. So this is the dim. Dim means dimension of the data. You just run this syntax, you will get that 77 rows are there and 13 variable is available in that data sheet. Now if you want to see the column names, just write down call names data. This will come. If you want to extract the first column only, you see, just you can import only the first column of that data, like that, this way. This will work similarly. Says it will come. Say you want to extract this sodium. So you have to write data $sign sodium. All the sodium value will come. Now this I want to save this data in a variable. So I am giving names. So if you run this one, it will not show any output. But if you type names, it will show that this data is saved into the variable names. Similarly, if you are extract data on that fact column, you will do by this way. Same things. Now you can see that fact we have create a new variable, that fact underscore variable. We are saving, we are getting this data. Now we want to compute the mean of that variable. Now simply write down this one. It will give you mean. If you are writing this one, median, give you the median value. If you want to know about the mode, okay, mode will be the numeric. Mode will be a different functionality. So if you want to compute the total of that variable, you can do this like just sum variable name. It will come like that. If you want to calculate that variance, it will calculate simply. Now, if you want to know the range, you calculate in this way. If you want to what is the minimum value of that column, in fact, it is 0. You can see the minimum value is 0. If you want to find the maximum value, you can get like that way. More you go through the Google tutorial on R, you will get all the details how to do it. Now, what is the beauty of that one? Say I want to make add a new composite variable with my data set. You can see I am creating a total column there, which will be the summation of this fat, protein, and sugars. So if I am this one total, you can see it has been calculated, and there was some missing value, so this value has not come. Now, if you want to compute a composite variable in equation form, you can write any type of equation there. You can develop a new variable. Now you can see this variable this way. Now, if you view the data, you can see earlier this up to this rating, it was the original sheet, but we have saved a new variable. You can see this is the new variables, total, composite, we have generated. Now next, if I am writing this syntax, I am again exporting our computed data in our back to our Excel sheet. Say this one, if you go to the folder, you will get new data. See, it has come to back again in Excel along with new variable. These are the simple things we can do with our also Excel. Now I am going to show you the complex things, what we can do with our. Say we want to do some correlation analysis with the variables. Just run this syntax. You can see very quick way we can compute this correlation between the fat variable and protein variable very easily. Protein matrix with Pearson correlation. If you are going to do it in you want to try to do in Excel, it will take so much time. Around half an hour you will take to compute this, but in R it takes hardly few seconds to compute. This is the beautifulness of this R. Say Kendall. Kendall means that non-parametric correlation. You see, it can be generated very easily. Now I am going to plot this data. So graphical things. You see, this is the fat variable, protein variable. You are following, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm just demonstrating or introducing with R. I am quickly this running this syntax. You may be finding difficulty to understand what I am syntax I am giving. But if you are in depth, if you are writing any cookbook, I will be giving you so many tutorial link. So if anybody is interested, you go through that one. You do such things very easily. So this is now I have earlier told you that R has the functionality to use the develop several packages. One of them is code plot. Say for installing these packages, if you are running this syntax, it will come like that. It will be it will take time to install this syntax. So I am skipping because I have already installed these packages. If you are running this code, it will work for your system also. I will provide you this tutorial. So if you are for importing this library functionality in R, just you have to type library this code plot. I am going to show you what this package's ability to do in R. Say this is the data set I am selecting from our Excel data sheet. Just run it. I am calculating the correlation. You can see now the beautiful things I am showing you what R can do, Excel cannot do. See, simple correlation, one figure with that significance. These are highly significant. These calorie versus fat, and this is the correlation. You know about that correlation varies from -1 to +1. You can see there is no correlation with potash or carbon. This kind of graph you can see, you can R can generate. Now I am going to generate the box plot. See, for serial data, and I am taking the cold and hot rating. The box plot is generating the box plot very easily. But if you are going to do it in Excel, it will take so much time, maybe half day to produce this plot. But in R, if you are trying to, if you learn about the R, if you do small coding in R, you will get means fraction of seconds this kind of results. And the R has the functionality. You can change that font size, color, everything. More you learn, more you read, you will learn so many things. Now I am trying to do a histogram. See, histogram. So this is the just given the first demonstration. This is about R. Now I am giving small go through the small concept behind this R. To store the values of variable, R always uses some special type of objects. So the variable could be stored as integer values or floating point or single character, a string of character. You have seen that names, it was a string of characters. And the concept is vector. It is nothing but a ordered array collection of similar kind of, say, if you are taking the numeric values, it will come that names or whatever we are accessing, those are vector. If anybody belongs to mathematics background, they can understand very good. They are clear about the vector concept. So other objects are also available in R, that is matrix, array, list. So many things are available. Now the data frame. Data frame is nothing but collection of columns of equivalent, means collection of vectors. And the data frames are useful in many ways while doing any kind of statistical analysis. For example, if you want to fit a linear regression between variables, it is better to build data frame consist of dependent as well as independent variable in single data frame. Now functions various functions are available in R. You can get various advanced functionality from importing the packages. I have given you some demonstration how to calculate that mean variance, those things. And these are the important functions available in R. Max, I have given you list. I will all I have documented in handouts also, which I will give to you. And R also uses some logical operator, that one, greater than, less than. These are the operators for doing syntax. Various matrix operation we can do, transpose of matrix, number of rows, calculating the eigenvectors, eigenvalues, then cross product of different matrices we can do with R. And some, now I'm going to some tips using R. R always use one window. If you open R, see, there is only one window, but you can do many things. As many you want, so many editors you can open in R. Then R comments are case sensitive, means capital X or small x, they are R will denote them different symbols. So be careful when you are writing codes. Then elementary comments, expression assignments, means in R this symbol and this symbol will say x equals to 1, and if we this one, if you write down this one, it denotes same. This window can be cleared by pressing the Control R. If you see this one, if I am pressing this Control L, everything will be removed. now I am showing you some advanced analysis I have done in my career. These are the snapshots that I have used R in the background. I developed this graph, or this is for one is that micro diversity analysis using R I have done. You can see circular graph. You cannot prepare these things using Excel or other standards, means statistical software, but R has the functionality to develop this kind of graph. You can see cake pathways, maps analysis. Next, you can see insect variety interaction network study, month-wise abundance of insect visitation in crop analysis. I have done this kind of analysis. I have done in my career. You can see that various maps also can be generated using our India map. You can see spatial data analysis. This kind of analysis we can then. So now these are the list of further resources freely available. If you are going to visit this link now, you will get very in depth and very interactive tutorial how to learn in art. This was my attempt to grow interest, grow some interest to use art. So you can see this one. Even I am showing you some good tutorial. If you are going to the Google, type R tutorial for beginners. You can, if you link anything, you will get so much details. See, everything is available. How to import data, how to calculate descriptive statistics, plots. You can see they have given the demonstration also how to load this library functionality. Go for then this is the one. Now data, how to create a new variable. Everything is they has demonstrated. How to sort the data. Everything is available. Aggregating data, reshaping data. So as what means as required, you will go through that tutorial and you can make use of art. So you are getting now. Hello,
Yes, sir.
is it interesting? Is it
Yes, sir.
interesting?
It is interesting but new for us. It's like
Very new for
very
us,
new
but
topic.
very new topic. So this is programming concept. So in quick I am giving you some brief introduction about R. What R can do. What is the ability of R to doing good. You can see that so many tutorials are available, and even in YouTube also you can see tutorials. You will get so many interactive video is available. Art tutorial for beginners, full course of art means art programming full course in 7 hours. If you follow those video and means do the experiment in your computer, you can learn about art. You can see so many things are available. As you read, you will get more, you know more. This is for me. This is all about R. So any query you can mail me in this mail ID. Thank you all. So if you have any question, you can ask. If you want some more demonstration, I can show. So
Thank you, Dr. Shil.
yes.
It is our students have requested for the class exclusive. All the other class we were deciding, but this class actually the students were requesting. They wanted a class of this. We have arranged. So thank you very much for
Hmm.
for for hosting this session because on a short notice, you have prepared the slides and you have taken a very uh, elaborate class. So students do ask some questions because of your request only we have arranged a class. So the session is open for discussion.
Sir, from the agricultural perspective, like in what type of research papers we are using this software, and how can you explain from very basic level?
Okay. So you please tell me again.
So, like in what type of research papers we are using this software, and for what purposes? We know mean, mode, median,
Okay.
simple thing, and what
Mm.
are some other things like?
Okay. Okay.
Since we are
They
from medical background now, and it is very difficult for this software, like
okay.
it
Okay.
is
Okay.
seeming very difficult for us
Okay, okay,
actually.
okay.
Yes, sir.
For that actually know about that statistics. Statistics. Say multivariate statistics is there, principal component analysis, color cluster analysis. So many things are available. Even if you I'm can you see that in my screen?
Yes, sir, I can
Okay,
see,
okay.
sir.
Even if you write down here now principal component analysis in R. You can get that advanced things. It is nothing but
Okay, sir.
a combination of various means so many variable. That analysis is done with using more number of variables. So as according to the requirement or in your article they have used the methodology, you go through that one. You will just search on Google, you will get all the details. Okay, and also that procedure they have used, and it can be whether it is possible to do in R or not. In other software also these facilities are available. You can use generate those information. Other softwares also, SAS is there, SPSS is there, Strata is there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Means we have to be clear in our statistics basic
Yes,
analysis. Then
yes,
only
yes,
we can use this.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Any other doubts are there? Students?
And sir, also other than R software, what are some other tools that are being used in agricultural data analysis apart from
Okay.
R?
Excel has own functionalities.
Okay, sir.
If you import some advanced Excel uh, script in Excel, you can do many things in R. Suppose if you are going to the this one Excel sheet. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I am showing you small things. Suppose I am opening this one. uh, Go to the formula or data, not data. You can see more functions. You will get everything. If you are do want to do financial analysis, all functions are available here. Even Excel has some you can import some Excel scripts into the Excel, and you can use those functionalities. Okay, then another tool is there. In my laptop you will get SPSS also. You can see I am showing you the Excel also, that SPSS also. So it is also similar to the Excel menu based. Just click, you will get the results simply. But for using R, you have to write down some syntax. Okay, SPSS is the next best option. SAS is also the next best option. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, okay. These all tools are standard tool for publishing papers in any journal.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Is that all? Anything else is there to discuss?
Hello,
No.
Yes, yes,
sir. Can we do number of parameters at one time analysis in R?
yes, yes, yes. We can
Like
do.
like plant height, plant spread, and so many parameters are there. So we can do analysis of number of parameters at one time in R.
Yes, yes, yes. It is possible. Possible. I have shown you in my code now. I have developed some. I have computed some composite variable in the form of equation. Can you see this one? This
Yes,
syntax.
sir. Yes.
That this is the variable protein. Suppose this is exponential function. Okay. Or if you see this one, this is just summation of that other variables. I'm creating some variables. Okay.
Sir, one more thing. In generally in OP start when we do analysis, there we can see SEM and CD values, standard
Okay.
error, mean and critical difference.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that when we do analysis in R, how
Yes.
can we get? How can we know this data is correct or wrong by seeing which variables we can consider it is correct or not. In OP start we can see SEM and CD that we can see that variables and we can guess that data is correct or not, like that we can guess. No, sir. Is there
Okay, okay,
any like that
okay.
I am asking?
Yes, yes, yes. That is possible. Suppose if you are drawing graph X and Y, if you are plotting that one, you can get that what are the outlier values. Outlier, can you understand? Outlier term means
Outline
extreme values, extreme values. Outlier
extreme
is
value.
a statistical term. So extreme values means suppose your observation is in between suppose 25 to 30. Okay,
Mm.
these are the values, but somewhere you have got wrong entry that 175 or 200. So we called those values as a outlier or extreme values. So if we are plotting those variables in R or any other software in graphically, you can see that these are this position, some discrepancies there. So you can check. If you read that outlier detection, if you search on Google outlier detect how to do outlier detection, you will get this answer. They have given some good examples also. You can know about that one.
Okay.
You can ask me anything regarding statistical analysis also. I am also statistical background also. No problem. If programming syntax also you can ask. I am again repeating this introduction just to show some demonstration how effectively you can, how quickly you can use R, how quickly you can generate results, good graphical things.
പോയിട്ട് വരുമോ? അപ്പൊ അടയ്ക്കണം ഞാൻ അല്ല മേഡം പുറത്തിലായിട്ട്
Hello, any question? Any further question?
I think they are okay with the class, Dr. Shell. Dr. Shell?
Hello.
Dr. Shil, I think they're okay with the class. Shall we wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is any other doubts are there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, Dr. Shil, thank you very much for accepting our invite and taking this session. That on a very short notice. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Okay. And for the information of the students, I'll be putting the quiz for Dr. Shil's portion, maybe day after tomorrow, as you have requested, alternate days for the quiz. So next quiz portion will be about R programming and about R. So please be ready with that day after tomorrow. So we'll wind up for today's session. Thank you very much. Good evening to all. Bye.
Thank you, sir.